Good afternoon. My name is BJ Johnson, CEO at ClearFlame Engines. ClearFlame is focused on the challenge posed by diesel engines, which remain critical to global economies, moving 70% of the world's goods, but unfortunately are still coupled to the dirty emissions of diesel fuel. This leads to aftertreatment systems that can add $15,000 to the price of an engine, while non-compliance with emissions rules has cost companies like Volkswagen and Navistar billions of dollars. These emissions challenges are forcing manufacturers to consider lower performance alternatives to diesel in order to meet emissions regulations, such as electric vehicles with their reduced range and heavy batteries, or natural gas with their expensive and complicated refueling infrastructure. Fortunately, ClearFlame is offering a simpler solution by taking the diesel fuel out of the diesel engine and instead replacing it with low-cost, clean-burning alternatives. This allows us to maintain the performance of the diesel engine and even increase power by 30%, while drastically simplifying aftertreatment and lowering fuel costs. Our solution provides similar economic benefits to compressed natural gas, which is the leading diesel alternative, but without requiring high upfront cost or loss of efficiency. My co-founder Julie and I initially developed this technology in the Edwards Lab at Stanford, a GCEP-funded project, thank you, and we're working to commercialize it in partnership with Argonne National Lab outside of Chicago, where we have access to nearly $1 million in non-dilutive grant funding. We're focused on deploying initial pilot demonstrations in 2 initial US markets with good access to low-cost ethanol, municipal fleets, which are often mandated to move away from diesel use, and Midwest farms, where farmers want to use a fuel that they help to produce. We plan to reach these initial customers by providing aftermarket retrofits before eventually licensing our technology to an established manufacturer and finally expanding into other sectors currently dominated by diesel engines, such as marine or stationary power generation. Thank you very much. Again, my name is BJ with ClearFlame Engines, and I look forward to answering your questions at the expo. Thanks.